Hi, this is Andrew Manby here, heading up product management for the digital solutions portfolio. Really enjoying the whole input from the community and lots of great ideas. So if you haven't been to a jam already, please make sure you get there. And big thanks to Intec too.
Well, here we are again, Domino Jam being hosted by HCL and Intec Systems. The ideas are coming through thick and fast, and hopefully lots of them are going to get implemented.
Hi there, my name is Keith Senna, I'm from Panetrol, and this is really good stuff. I've done one of these before at Exchange 2022, and it's really good to be able to say to HCL, please, can we have this? And when you deliver it for us, it makes our life so much easier and so much better when we actually get back into business, because then we can get our business moving on, we can improve what we're doing, and hit our targets better.
Brilliant day at the Jam. We are working on enhancements to Domino. For those of you who don't know, a web server, an application server, a database, an application development platform. Oh, and by the way, if security is a problem to you, Domino is your answer.
What a fantastic time we're having here in London on this gorgeous sunny day at the Domino Jam. So, brilliant day, lovely to see our customers and business partners here. Great thanks to the product team for coming over. It's always great to have these local face-to-face opportunities with the product management team. And of course to Intec for arranging it all. Thank you.
I kind of ask myself, are people really serious about security? I mean, we hear it all day long, but are you serious? When you think that last week Microsoft released 64 security patches, I ask you, if you're really serious about security and you're serious about owning, governing and controlling your data, then developing in Domino is your answer. Using HCL Notes and Verse is your answer. This is the most secure platform globally.
It's a great day here at the Intec HCL sponsored Domino Jam. The sun is shining and the ideas are flowing, and more importantly, everyone seems to have a real buzz at coming together as a community again.
So I'm here at London. I've been to Zurich, Dusseldorf and Chicago and run jam events, and they're all fantastic. Loving the energy and enthusiasm from everyone talking about Domino, Nomad and Mail.
It's great to be here, and it's great to be heard, and it's great to be able to submit our ideas. Thank you.
Thanks to our partners Intec. It's phenomenal, right? We've had great engagement from our community here. As always, the commitment is from HCL is Domino is forever, and it's great to have that engagement with our customers and to get the feedback about Domino is forever and all the wonderful, fantastic things I'm hearing that people are doing with the platform.
So we're in London for the Domino Jam, and we have so many people here today. So this boxes are pretty cute.